It's time to go to heaven, my child.
Hey, bro, you got a phone call.
Oh yeah, save me some trouble.
I dialed it. Beautiful. Give it up, baby.
All these racks give me a boner. I'm too hard.
My name is Richard and I'm sitting in the corner. Sitting in the corner, playing my recorder. My parents really wanted me to become a lawyer, but instead I spent my time just playing the recorder. My name is Richard and I'm sitting in the corner.